sick shoes?
No, never.
All right, folks, it's time to explore some Jamaican superstitions associated with food. So for our countdown to Jamaica 55, our producer decided to get the views of the people on these widely accepted food myths. Well, no accepted by me, but let's take a look at this.
Many stew peas, woman tie them.
Stew peas, I get tied. We don't want a stew peas to eat. Stew peas tie, man.
Now, so I just feel some people always say when woman cook it, give man regular, can't tie them. Yeah. But if your mother cook it, give me no know if it tie you. But them say when woman cook it, man have to eat it for woman. But woman, man always man eat it for woman.
Most man say woman tie them with stew peas. Red stew peas. That's what the old folks say.
Them certain time cook stew peas, they want to tie the boy, they just put the something in it. They don't know, you don't know what name already.
Stew peas is a good thing, man. No? Good. And stew peas nice, you know? I like it.
Man can eat stew peas someone, but it was not the season at the time, you understand? No problem with eating stew peas from a woman, yeah.
Some people say, man, the woman tie you. And some man still want to eat them stew peas because they love them stew peas, yeah.
We don't know Jamaican man talk about tying a stew peas. But regardless of what, from a man, you must know when your woman sick, for when she's not sick.
We say when you wash your face with the rice water, you see dopey.
Them say when you wash your face, you see dopey, you see spirit.
With rice water, you can see spirit. That's what the old folks told us.
Oh, they say you see a lot of dopey. When you wash the rice water on your face.
I'm not telling nobody to do this still, you know. You see me, but you see when you wash your face with the rice water, trust me, I'm going to see a bag of things. You're not going to see the normal something when you normally see. You see me? You're going to see something out of a horror film. Trust me.
From me small, me them say when you wash your face with rice water, treat you say dopey. I mean, I know if I chew it, so it go or true or a lie or a phrase or a false. But I never try it because I don't want to see them.
I'm saying you see dopey when you wash your face when you see with rice water.
Then say anytime you're pregnant or you want certain food and you don't get it, the baby will born with the mom.
You know when you're pregnant, you feel for a whole heap of different things. More you see something pass, you want it, mango. And if you don't get it, you mark, and you scratch all, you say, you know, look at something come there, you know, a mark, you mark, you know.
We normally get a mark. Like, you know, like if you're feeling for something, like if you want pork, and you don't get it at the same time, and you scratch, they say you normally get a mark.
Them say the baby mark for the exact food where them can't get to eat at the time.
Countdown to Jamaica 55 is brought to you by
National Cream Crackers. No better country, no better cracker.
Well,
Look, man.
I have never heard of any of that.
You've never heard of any of that?
Never.
Oh, yeah, man.
Why would you want to wash your face with rice water in the first place?
Because you want to see dopey.
Oh, because you want to see the dopey.
Yeah.
And I look like somebody would have want to see a dopey.
But you've never washed your face with rice water, so clearly you don't.
No.
But if you're living in a home and you think it's haunted, and you say, okay, it's haunted, so I want to prove or disprove that ghosts are here, you wash your face with the rice water.
No, but if I live in a place where it's haunted, I'm gone. Why I want to stay there? Let me just get up and go somewhere. I've never had stew peas in my life.
You've never had stew peas in your life? Well, you're not in danger of being tied. I realize what happened now.
Wouldn't mind if you tie me though. So, I would tie me.
But you don't eat
tie me tie onto you.
Yes.
And me.
Love me and can't let me go.
No man, give me some stew peas, man. No man, no me want stew peas right away.
It doesn't
Jackfruit.
matter the kind of stew peas.
I've never had stew peas in my life.
Really?
Never.
Half of your life gone.
Me not think so.
Are you not have stew peas?
Well, half of my life gone because me 64. So me half gone.
Never.
but it's
You're
not-
64 and you've never had stew peas
No.
in Jamaica?
No.
Oh my God. No, no. Before you get to 65, have some stew
me
peas.
no pass the Thai parts with, so can you?
You have to have the stew peas first.
So just bring some stew peas. for
And
me.
you will have it?
If you cook it.
Okay. I'm going to bring some on Thursday.
Hold on, no. Me know why you make nobody else cook it.
No, then we'll have to tie to somebody else. That don't make sense.
All of a
But see,
sudden.
every day you're in the canteen and looking at the people every face, so you don't know why.
Oh, me tie it up.
Yeah, no, I couldn't do that to you.
So I want stew peas. Right?
You want to be tied to me. All right, love.
What is the next one? What
It was
unique one to
that
know
I
about
said,
jackfruit?
if there's a craving and you don't, whatever, the baby are going to mark. And
Never
that's what
hear
I
of
don't
that.
understand,
Never
because I
hear
don't
of
know
that.
where they're going to be marked.
What is the jackfruit thing? Unique, tell me about the jackfruit thing now. If you eat
That's for
jackfruit-
never.
If you eat jackfruit, you're impotent.
No, if you are, you should eat the jackfruit.
And you don't.
So I'm going to
impotent
bring
no more.
some with stew peas for you on Thursday.
You can bring a case.
Of jackfruit?
Yes.
I don't know if there's a case
Me
of
share
jackfruit.
me share with my manager. Let me share some with my manager. All right.
I'm done.
We'll take a break,
I know
folks.
one more
When we
thing
come
this
back, the
morning.
International Week that
I'm
was
done.
with Earl
Hello?
Maxam. So come. Let me not, me can't leave
No,
out
I don't.
my-
Sorry for him. It's
Me
sorry.
can't
I
leave out
never
my
meant to say
manager.
that, but I have no regrets. Him for bringing it down. No,
No, me want to make sure